Honor Magic V Flip 2 is finally here, and it's one of the most ambitious foldable flip phones we've seen in 2025. It launched on August 21st, and right away it makes a strong impression with its slim 6.9mm profile when unfolded and a surprisingly pocketable 15.5mm when folded. At just 204 grams, it feels solid without being overly heavy, and the aluminum frame gives it that premium durability. It even comes with IP58 and IP59 ratings, which means it's dust-protected and resistant to high-pressure water jets, plus it can survive immersion up to a meter for 30 minutes. That's a big win for a foldable. If you're enjoying this breakdown already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video so you don't miss more reviews like this. Now let's talk about what makes this device stand out visually. The main display is a 6.82-inch foldable LTPO OLED panel, and it's absolutely stunning. You're getting 1 billion colors, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR, Dolby Vision, and a peak brightness of 5000 nits. That's one of the brightest panels in the game right now. On top of that, Honor packed in a secondary 4-inch cover display that pushes 120Hz HDR and peaks at 3600 nits. Whether you're using the big display or quickly glancing at the smaller one, the viewing experience is next level for a flip phone. Performance-wise, Honor isn't cutting corners. The Magic V Flip 2 runs Android 15 with Magic OS 9 on top, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This is a 4nm processor that handles multitasking, gaming, and high-performance workloads with ease. The octa-core setup includes a blazing Cortex-X for running at 3.3 GHz, and the Adreno 750 GPU ensures smooth graphics performance. Paired with options up to 16 GB of RAM, this phone is built for power users who don't want any compromise, even in a foldable form factor. When it comes to storage, Honor is offering plenty of flexibility. You can pick up the Magic V Flip 2 with 256 GB, 512 GB, or even a full terabyte of storage. The higher-end models also come with that 16 GB of RAM option, making them perfect for people who need space for videos, games, or heavy productivity. While there's no card slot for expansion, the large base storage option should be more than enough for most users. The camera system is another area where the Magic V Flip 2 really flexes. On the back you've got a massive 200-megapixel wide sensor with optical image stabilization and multi-directional phase detection autofocus. Alongside it is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. This setup delivers sharp, detailed shots in almost any condition, plus features like HDR, panorama, and 4K video recording with gyroscope TIS for stability. For a flip phone, this is one of the most capable camera packages on the market. Selfie lovers won't be disappointed either. The front-facing camera is a 50-megapixel shooter with autofocus, which is rare for this category. It supports both 4K and 1080p video recording, making it perfect for vlogging, video calls, or just getting those sharp high-resolution selfies. Pair that with the ability to use the cover screen as a viewfinder for the rear cameras, and you've got a super versatile setup that beats most other flip phones in flexibility. Audio and connectivity are also well covered here. You get stereo speakers for an immersive sound experience, though like most modern flagships, there's no headphone jack. On the wireless side, it supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX HD, and full global positioning systems including GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, QZSS, and BDS. Of course, NFC is here for contactless payments, and you're charging through USB-C with OTG support. No FM radio this time, but that's expected at this premium level. The Magic V Flip 2 also includes a strong set of sensors, from a side-mounted fingerprint reader to advanced motion sensors like gyroscope, accelerometer, and even ultrasonic proximity detection. These little touches help the phone feel responsive and modern, while keeping security and convenience in check. Honor is definitely targeting power users who expect a flagship-level experience in a more experimental foldable design. Battery life is another highlight. With a 5500 mAh LiPo battery, the Magic V Flip 2 packs more endurance than most foldables we've seen. Honor claims 80-watt wired charging can get you from 0 to full in just 42 minutes, and you also have 50-watt wireless charging along with 5-watt reverse wired charging. That means you can top up your accessories or other phones directly. This kind of charging flexibility and speed makes the device stand out even more in the foldable market. Finally, let's talk about style. The Honor Magic V Flip 2 comes in several sleek finishes including purple, silver, gray, and blue. Each one is designed to give that modern premium look that pairs well with the high-end hardware. With its powerful performance, stunning displays, versatile cameras, and a massive battery, this phone feels like Honor's strongest take on a flip foldable yet. If you're as excited about this as I am, don't forget to hit subscribe and like the video to stay updated on all the latest smartphone reviews.